and then so the pattern is like this. What you're doing is a low crossover like this to an extension on the home side. Low crossover extension, low crossover extension, low crossover extension. So it's a 2-beat weave, but it's not even a waist wrap, it's side plain. In the pattern we were playing with, we were doing this. If you took this and you looked at this in the same direction, it would be this, right? Or it would be the other version of it, which is this. Okay? So what we were working on was this one, which is the same concept, front plane though, right? So wall plane, you're doing the little and then the big, but it's opposite direction. You can translate that into a same direction version where instead of this hand coming up opposite, it would just be same like this. Or you could do it same like this. So it's the same concept, you're just doing it like so. Or like so. And then you can turn that to the side plane like this, which is what you're seeing all over that video clip. It makes sense to me that they would remind you of each other, but the actual drill for the pattern, all it is a crossover small and then a big extension. Crossover small, big extension on the side plane. And I'm doing it from underhand. It does not look or feel the same way from overhand, in my opinion. It feels much better from underhand. And then you're just doing both of them doing that same pattern, and one of them does the extension while the other one's doing the short poi. So, yes. How I would try and get into it then, if you have each of the hands, if you drill them both, is if you're going to cross your left hand to the right side, you're lefty. If you're going to cross the left one to the right side, as you cross the left one to the right side, you extend with the right hand to make space for the left one while it's crossing. Or if you're extending to the other hand, to the other side, you do it the other way, right? So if I'm extending my right hand, or crossing my right hand to the left side, I extend the left hand first. The hand that's doing the extension has to go faster than the hand that's doing the small part, if you want it to look together time. So it's fast, slow, fast, and then slow. But one of them's going fast while the other one's going slower, right? The deeper that you cross, the longer the hand path is going to be with the smaller hand, right? If you shorten it, then it's going to be a shorter hand path, which is just going to make it harder for the two poi to stay in the same tempo, visually.